lot to talk about weather-wise today, even though we've got some pretty sunshine right now outside our doors.
That's right. Sunshine today. We could be seeing a few showers tomorrow because of the tropical system in the Gulf. So we do have kind of a wide array of weather, everything except for cold. We won't have that for a little while. But we're looking at sunshine here in Birmingham this afternoon, I should say. 91 is the current temperature. Dew points not near as sticky as in days past, but even with dew points in the mid to upper 60s, it still feels like 94 outside. So it is going to be a little bit of a warm afternoon for sure. We're already seeing 90s pretty much area-wide, just a few 80s sprinkled about. A pair of 8s in Coleman, 89 down in Clanton, 92 now in Alabaster, one of our warmer spots. Same with Hamilton. Highs for this afternoon topping out in the mid-90s in several spots. Look at Tuscaloosa, Clanton at 95, 94 in Birmingham with 91 in Jasper, as well as Anniston, 91 down in Peach Country. We're seeing satellite and radar scan dry for central Alabama. But that is all going to be changing because of Tropical Depression number 9, which is swirling in the Gulf of Mexico. We also have Tropical Depression number 8 that continues tracking off to the east. Right now, dynamics are not looking overly impressive for either of these systems to become tropical storms. If I had to hedge my bets, though, I would think that Tropical Depression 9 will likely become a tropical storm simply because it doesn't have a lot of those frictional effects yet. It's in the open waters of the Gulf, plenty of warm water there. It's kind of feeding the storm system. So I do think we could see that make tropical storm status just before landfall. Looking at our futurecast through the evening hours, things are going to be awfully quiet, mostly clear overnight tonight. But look what happens tomorrow. Look at the bottom of your screen. This is where we're going to see some rain developing right along that 2059 corridor from Tuscaloosa all the way up to Gadsden, as far east as Anniston. And then as the evening rolls in Thursday night and into Friday, that's when we're going to start to see some banding of rain down to our southeast, primarily impacting the panhandle of Florida as well as South Georgia. But there will be a few pulses of rain that move into southeast Alabama. So we'll be watching that very closely Thursday night and into Friday morning as that storm system continues to push off to the east. So again, Alabama is going to see very little impact from this storm, directly impacted, I should say. And then sunshine's back and temperatures actually back off just a bit as we move into our Labor Day weekend. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.